winning setups using the CC Trend Pro. Okay. So with the CC Trend Pro, it is all based off of trend, okay, to help you follow the trend. Now you will also will take counter trend trades, but let's talk about how we can be in alignment with the market. So for an example, we had GBP CHF, right? So if we go to Telegram group, this is where I had a signal that popped up for GBP CHF 30-minute time frame intraday trade. Was for a buy. This is your entry zone, stop loss, take profits. Okay. If we go here, and in this video here, I actually took this same exact trade. Again, I'm testing this system out using the Telegram group, Signal group, and actually taking the trades and see how they play out. Now, this was an excellent setup because if we take a look at the higher time frame, let's go to the 4-hour time frame real quick. Okay, so here on the 4-hour time frame, we're still very much so bullish. I'm sorry, bearish. Very much so bearish here on the 4-hour time frame. So this move that we took here was a pullback trade, okay, on the lower time frame. Now, why did we decide to take this trade? So if we go to the 30-minute, and if you're strictly looking for intraday trades to take trades on, we had a trend change candle. So whenever price breaks these moving averages, you're going to get a trend change candle, let you know that the trend has changed and price is getting ready to go up. So that is the reason for taking this buy. We had a trend change candle, had a buy signal, and that gave us a signal inside the signals group to go ahead and take this buy. Now, this trade was an excellent trade because it actually shot up. I got in here on this candle here, actually shot up about 63 pips for the day. So that was a real good trade. I did close when they got up here to the top. Actually closed the position. Okay. Now we just broke below. As you guys can see here, we got a trend change candle for a sell, and price is actually selling off right now. Okay, to go along with the higher time frame. Now, another way that I use the system in conjunction with the BTC trading system, if we take a look here at GBP CHF, let's go to there. This is the 4-hour time frame on this side, and this is 30 minutes. So we had a bunch of CC buys here. Price was at a level. Okay, came down to the demand level, and this was a support level, H4 support level. Okay, so for me, the CC buy and CC sell are still king in my eyes. Okay, this is I'm never going to stop using the system because they're going to let you know when prices are going to turn around. Okay, it's all based off extremes that happen in the market. So whenever there's an extreme, you're going to get a signal for price to reverse. Now, how I'm using this in conjunction with the CC Trend Pros, whenever I get a signal on a higher time frame, 4-hour time frame or whatever time frame daily, I'm just waiting on the lower time frame to get a break of the moving averages or a trend change candle, like in this instance. So we had a CC buy. I avoided all this confusion here, waited for price to actually show up on the New York session. It was a trend change candle, and price shot up to the moon. Okay, same exact scenario here that I took the other day on AUDJPY for a sale. Let's take a look at that. AUDJPY. So AUDJPY, we had a cheat code sell signal on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so that gave me the confidence to go ahead and take this sale. Again, if you look here on Tuesday, that's when we took the trade. We had a trend change candle, and then price melted away. Okay, all of this is what happened right here. Okay. now we should continue down. We're on a 4-hour time frame. We just broke below the 47. The price should continue down on AUDJPY. Now, if you don't have the VTC trading system and you're just looking for trades using the system, well, follow the trend. So whether you're trading the higher time frame, the 4-hour or daily time frame, then obviously you would be looking for opportunities to sell. Like for instance here, GBP CHF 4-hour time frame, everything is telling us to sell, right? If we look at the dashboard, this is going to tell you what type of trade it is. This is a swing trade. So if you did enter off the 4-hour time frame, this will be considered a swing trade. All right. Higher time frame is set to the daily, so it says the daily time frame is bearish. So everything is in alignment for a sell. So everything's telling you to sell. So knowing that a higher time frame is telling us to sell, the 4 hours dailies are in alignment. I mean, when we go to a 30-minute time frame, you can see now this sell is in alignment with the higher time frame. All right, we have a trend change candle, that yellow candle right there. Lets us know that price is ready to continue down here on GBP CHF. Okay, so that's how I would use this CC Trend Pro to find trades, whether you're trading off the higher time frame or lower time frame. You have to do your due diligence, even when you are getting the signals. When you guys join the signals group, right? When you sign up for Coffee and Charts, you'll be able to join the signals group, right? This is going to send you intraday trades, scalp trades, and also swing trades, right? Make sure that you're not just blindly taking these signals, right? Make sure you do your due diligence. So what I mean is, if you get a signal, make sure it aligns with the higher time frame. So for an example, let's take a look here at the most recent signal here. We have a most recent signal here on Euro USD 30-minute time frame, intraday trade to sell. Okay. Let's go to Euro USD. Okay. Euro USD, we had a trend change candle, 30-minute time frame. Price is selling off at this current time, right? The CC trend dashboard is telling us that this would be an intraday trade. The daily time frame is bullish, so we're selling currently right now, right? Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Okay, 4 hours also bullish. All right, so that means that we're not going to, if we decided to take this sell on the 30-minute time frame, we're not going to stay in this trade long. So today, this would have been a good intraday trade to take, because price did drop like it was supposed to. It dropped 71 pips today for Euro USD. Price could continue lower a little bit before heading back up, but this was a nice intraday trade for you to take here on Euro USD. So now, what you want to wait for, if you want to trade with the higher time frame trend, the 4-hour and the daily, what you're going to do here on the 30-minute, you're going to wait until price breaks above these moving averages and you get a trend change candle, right? And then once you get that trend change candle, it's going to tell you to buy, and then that's when you buy Euro USD to continue in the direction of the higher time frame trend. Does that make sense? Right? So make sure you do your due diligence. Do not blindly just take these signals, buy and sell signals. Make sure it's in alignment with the higher time frame. Okay. And make sure that if you're trading with the trend, you can stay in the trade a lot longer. If you're trading against the trend, just know it's going to be a quick intraday or scalp trade. Right? So again, this CC Trend Pro is not a part of the VTC membership. Okay, if you're a lifetime member of the VTC system, this has nothing to do with that system. It's two completely different systems. Just because you're a lifetime member you don't automatically get the CC Trend Pro. CC Trend Pro, again, is not for sale. Okay, this is a tool that we're using inside the Coffee and Charts. So if you decide to join Coffee and Charts, you will have access to this tool. You will have access to the Telegram group where you can get the signals. Now, signals that are going to pop up here, we're going to do Forex, we're going to do futures, we're also going to do some crypto signals, okay? So just to make it nice and easy for everyone, but make sure when you're getting these signals are just going to help you automate the process, but you need to do your due diligence before you blindly take these buy and sell signals. Do not, and I repeat, do not just blindly take these signals. Make sure you're looking at the higher time frame to know whether you're trading with the trend or against the trend. This is going to help you decide whether you stay in the trade for a short period of time or for a longer period of time, or even if you take the trade. Okay, sometimes you may want to wait for the next signal. All these signals are not going to be perfect. You gotta understand that. This is not a 100% win rate. You will lose. Okay, this is why it's important to do your due diligence. All right. So if you have the both systems, get your signal from the higher time frame, wait to enter on the lower time frame. Okay, this is going to help you avoid the chop. It's going to put you into profit a lot faster instead of dealing with the drawdown, because the CC Trend Pro is designed to find those momentum moments in the market where you can get in, get your money, and get out. Right? So again, if you guys want access to this, make sure you join Coffee and Charts. We do live trading every Tuesday and Thursday from 8 a.m. to 10:30. Okay, if we do find a trade earlier within the day, we usually close the trading session around 10. Okay. Other than that, we have a good time. It's very chill. You can ask questions, and we listen to music. Come join and see and how you can pass your prop firm challenges. We don't win all the time, but we win more than we lose. All right. Other than that, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.